Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, Dean of the UCF College of Arts and Humanities. I'd like to thank you for your ongoing support of our faculty and students. Your donation makes it possible for the Marching Knights to rehearse under lights and have protection from the elements, and hopefully soon on turf. You make it possible for our ethics team to compete against and beat teams from Duke, Georgia Tech, Stanford, and other top-tier schools. For 2,000 artists and technicians to participate in UCF Celebrates the Arts each year, and you help us bring distinguished guest speakers from around the globe to campus, and so much more. The College of Arts and Humanities has been the top college for number of donations every year that UCF has had a Day of Giving. Some might say we're the greatest of all time. The GOAT, if you will. But I say you're the GOAT. You make everything we do possible. This Day of Giving, I hope you'll support the arts and humanities at UCF. Oh, hello. I was just telling all my LinkedIn connections about the UCF Day of Giving. But since I've got your attention, let's talk about why you should support the UCF College of Arts and Humanities. Oh, wait a minute. The arts and technology are the perfect pair. It's almost like espresso and oat milk, toast and avocado, Taylor and Katz. You just can't go wrong. Your support on the UCF Day of Giving allows us to integrate cutting-edge technology into the arts. Whether that's bringing innovative tools into our art studios, advancing lighting systems in our theater, or providing high-quality scanners that allow students to digitize artifacts, technology is transforming the way we make and create and contextualize. Wait, 1 second here. Yeah, send, LOL. At UCF, we're combining creativity with technology to make a real impact. Want to be part of something great? Well, you know what to do. This will be a good outtake. Okay. Support. Donations. Day of Giving. I bet you thought I forgot about Gen X, but I'm one of them, and I could never do that. So, on this Day of Giving, don't you forget about the GOAT, the College of Arts and Humanities. Don't you